up two-factor authenticator, and I'm gonna tell you why. So this is one of my first clients that I helped her start and brand all of her social media. She's on Instagram, she's on Facebook, and she's over here on TikTok, and worked real hard to get to 10.6K just to get her account hacked. If you can, please go to this page. Hit the, I'm gonna show you how to do it. First and foremost, you need to ask Google how to get your account. Once you see all the steps that you need to do them. Now on my end, I went and I searched her profile. This is what you need to do if you wanna help people if they lose their account. Hit that little search icon. Type in the name of the page that they had. For her, hers was Angela Ferg Fit. She had to create a whole new one, but we're not just starting over here, okay? So I'm gonna go help and report this page. This is the page I helped her build up to 10.6K. You wanna hit that share button at the top, and it's gonna pull up the sub menu, go to report. Now in the Google thing, it says to report the account. So I clicked on report account. It says it should be a list in there that says hacked. I don't see it. So I'm gonna click other right here. Click on other, click submit, and submit this into the TikTok. I'm not gonna block this account because I want her to get this account back, but I do want them to invest. If this happens to you, please do all you can to recover your account directly. Always try to get your account back, and once you get it, make sure you set up two-factor authenticator to keep it secure and safe. Follow for more.